What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. So today I have got my cousin with me, Nicole.
Hi.
She's like the third vlog that she's in. We're all filming on the same day. But anyway, we're going to go check out this Asian cosmetic store available here at the Emporium. Apparently they have a store also at Chadstone. Because I'm in the city, might as well check this one out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that Merry Seasons vlog, you guys are going to enjoy this one as well. It's going to be like a little tour around the store and just showing you guys what's available, and then a little commentary of what I think about some of the products that I've tried, or just like first impressions, or just what I think about them just based on popular opinion. Okay, so we're here at the Emporium, walking around. Oh, it's upstairs. It's W Cosmetics. It's just like right there. Is there another escalator there? Oh, there's another escalator there, so we'll go through there.
Okay.
So yeah, I sent a message to W Cosmetics asking them if I could do the same thing like I did at Merry Seasons, just do a little tour around the store, and they were so lovely enough to say yes. So I've only really walked outside the store and it looks really nice and clean and just very inviting, very conducive to shopping, so that's what we're gonna do. But I'm just gonna do window shopping because I'm trying to control myself. But who knows, maybe I'll find something that I really like and then I have no choice but to purchase it myself. Little side note, we're at the food court at the Emporium. So quiet. Obviously the pandemic is still happening, so some of the stores aren't even open. But anyway, going back to why we're actually here, we're going to go to W Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, this is probably the most Canmake makeup I've ever seen in my life. Like, even when I lived in Hong Kong, I don't think I've ever seen this much Canmake makeup. Actually, when we went to Japan as well, I don't think I saw this much. This is really impressive. Honestly, Canmake makeup can be hit or miss, from my opinion. That's just because I do my makeup the Western style, so obviously I judge makeup slightly different. Like for example, a lot of Asian makeup tends to be very sparkly, shimmery sort of style, and a lot of Asian makeup tends to be sort of like on the creamier side of things, whereas I personally prefer like powders and stuff like that. Also, if you look at the prices, they're pretty competitive. Ooh, eyeliners. You guys know I love Asian eyeliners. So they have different brands as well. So from what I can see, they've got the K palette. I love K palette one day tattoo liners. They're so good, so pigmented. And it looks like they have different varieties as well. Different colors, different shades of brown, which, you know, I appreciate. Sometimes you just want a cool brown, sometimes you want a reddy brown. Apparently if you have very faint brows and you really want your eyebrows to stick, you'll use some of like these K palette ones and they're very good. Oh my gosh, they have Senka. This is like, I've said it in the previous video, but this is one of the brands that people like absolutely rave and swear by in Asia. Obviously they have the collagen one and they also have the Speedy Whip. I've never tried this one, I've only ever tried this one. And I do remember this is really nice. It doesn't dry out your skin. But as you can see, they also have different types of cleansers, and I also like how they've also got like some English translations, just in case you don't understand the language the bottles are printed in. It gives you a general idea, and the staff are pretty helpful because they can tell you as well what these products are and what they can do for your skin. But like, look at all the selection. They even have Bioderma. I love my Bioderma. Ooh, look at that. They've got all these different types of lipsticks as well. These ones look really nice and glossy.
The packaging was, oh, that's how it works. I was like, how do you pull it out?
How does it work? Show us.
You don't pull, you push.
Ooh, they've got different types of contacts as well. I don't think there's any prescription in these. Unfortunately, I need prescription, but You can see all the different designs as well. Ooh, look at these. Hello Kitty. Ooh, they have body wash that have AHA. Maybe I should try one of these because I honestly have had body acne from time to time. If you guys have ever tried this, let me know. Yeah. So it says a soap exfoliation. It's only $24. Looks pretty inexpensive. And they also have these ones. It says for the back. Ooh, maybe I should try that. Let me know, guys, if you guys have tried it. And then, obviously, if you guys are into your Asian hair care products, you can try these. I am very intrigued by these. It says it's a color treatment. So you can see there's different colors. I think these might be like temporary ones. I think this one may be, oh no, this is a shampoo. It says shampoo. I thought it was a spray. And that actually looks pretty cool. Candy purple. Okay, so this one looks like it's a purple shampoo for blonde hair. Don't want that because my hair isn't that color at the moment. Oh my god, I remember this. I used to use this in Hong Kong. This is Gatsby. So it's like hair putty. I think I used to use the grey one or the blue one. I don't actually remember what the differences is, but yeah, I used to use that one. Brings back memories. And of course they have all the different hair dyes as well.
Do you need help?
Ooh, makeup accessories and lashes. If you guys are into like Asian lashes, come here. Look, they've got heaps of selections from very popular brands like Dollywink. I know Dollywink is a very popular brand. Which one would you wear, Nicole?
I usually go for this back home when I used to buy it in Hong Kong.
Oh yeah.
It's like, it's got that wispy effect.
Yeah, yeah. But not too long.
Yeah, not too long.
And then obviously they have all the other brands available as well, and like different lash glues and applicators and stuff. Ooh, and eyelid tape. I know some people are very into the eyelid tapes. They've got this. Let me know if you guys like me to try eyelid tape. I've dabbled with eyelid tape here and there, but I've never like really worn it out. I kind of just tried it out at home. Yeah, let me know if you guys would like me to try out double eyelid tape or eyelid glue on camera, because I think that would be a very hilarious experience.
I don't know how to use it. Oh my gosh!
Memories.
Memories.
Meji almond. Whoops. Sorry. Thank you. Nicole's helping me out with filming and everything today while we also catch up. Like these are like Meji, like we have them a lot when we were growing up, I think.
We did. It's really popular back home.
Yeah, you can buy it from 7-Eleven and Welcome and Park and Shop.
Yeah.
They have more eyelid stuff. Yeah, eyelid tape. So different varieties as well. Asian pads. Nicole's getting all like gushing. Oh, and they also have the Asian cotton rounds, cotton pads. These are like super soft, like next level soft. Like they to the point that you don't really feel like you're tugging on your eyes. I love them. Ooh, this is the eyelid glue that I have heard so many good things about. It says it's like $22 depending on which one. Yeah, definitely let me know. I think I did buy one of these in Japan. I just don't remember using it. Yeah, I think I did, but I don't think the video went online because I wasn't happy with how it looked. Oh my gosh, look at this, Nicole. It's like black magic. It's to remove all your pores. What is this?
Do that. Is it some kind
It's called Cover Factory. If you guys have ever tried this, let me know. Cover Factory Pore Primer. I mean, I've used primer before, but it doesn't actually make your skin like that. But yeah, let me know. Like, that looks really cool. Okay, so we're done at W Cosmetics, and honestly, I am super impressed with the range of products available at this store. So if you guys want to purchase your Asian makeup, Asian cosmetics, this is definitely another store to check out here in the Melbourne CBD area. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!